Are you ready to see how artificial intelligence can do your job for you? Imagine this. You give a command, and the ChatGPT agent books tickets, schedules meetings, writes code, and gathers the analytics you need, all without your direct involvement. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of 2025. Hi there. Today I'll tell you about the new ChatGPT Agent, a revolutionary update that's transforming what we expect from AI in both work and everyday life. OpenAI has officially introduced an intelligent agent for ChatGPT. Now it doesn't just answer your questions, it can carry out a whole range of computer-based tasks on your behalf. For example, the agent can manage your calendar, automatically schedule meetings, book tables at restaurants, create and edit presentations and slides, write and run code, and even navigate websites and online services independently. All of this is made possible thanks to a virtual computer built directly into ChatGPT. The agent can switch between different apps inside this environment to complete complex tasks from start to finish. For instance, if you ask it to analyze upcoming meetings or prepare a detailed analytics report, the agent will find the necessary information online, generate the report, add tables, and create a full presentation. Importantly, the user remains in full control of the agent's actions. At any step involving critical actions, like sending emails or booking tickets, the agent will always ask for confirmation to avoid errors or surprises. There are also built-in security features. When handling financial operations or sensitive data, a special watch mode is activated. If you close the tab or disconnect from the agent, the task will be paused immediately. This new agent unlocks a fundamentally new level of automation. It can browse the web and collect data from dozens of sites, preparing both brief and detailed reports. Connect to external apps like your calendar, email, cloud storage, work with PDFs, and expand Google Sheets. Write and analyze code independently. Run small scripts, perfect for automating workflows for IT professionals and analysts. How do you enable the new agent? It's simple. If you have a ChatGPT Pro, Plus, or Team subscription, just select Agent Mode in the Tools menu, or type /agent. It's already available in the standard version and will soon be rolled out to enterprise and educational accounts. This is not just a bot update. This is a smart assistant that executes your instructions using natural language. You can say, prepare a presentation on AI trends, gather statistics, design slides, and add it to my calendar for tomorrow. And the agent will do it all with minimal human involvement. And finally, even with powerful features, you're always in control. You can stop, adjust, or expand any task in real time to get exactly the result you expect. This shift toward autonomous AI agents is one of the key trends of 2025. And now, automation of routine and complex tasks is becoming accessible to everyone. We'll be testing the new ChatGPT agent very soon, so don't miss out. Subscribe to the channel to stay in the loop.